Hello, host family. My name is Jose, and I'm really excited to introduce you myself. I have a chance to become part of your family. I have 14 years old. My family is composed by me, my little brother, my two parents, and my dog, Ron. I consider myself as a responsible, joyful, and friendly person. I really enjoy dancing, walking, and doing exercise. I love learning new things and discovering different cultures. I have experience taking care of my cousins since they were born. I enjoy playing with kids, helping them with homework, and creating fun activities. I adapt easily to different kinds of families, whether your home is big or small. Is very active or more relaxed and flexible and open-minded. I'm happy to adjust to your routines and lifestyle. I also feel comfortable adapting to different parenting styles and family structures. I really enjoy traveling and discovering new places, cultures, and traditions. One of my biggest hobbies is listening to music. I love music, and these are my favorite artists. Some of my favorite things are my favorite color is green, my favorite animal is a dolphin, and my favorite food is pasta with pesto. I decided to become an exchange student because I want to experience a new culture and improve my English. Things that you can expect from me is a person who is responsible, respectful, and flexible, and who always is willing to help. I promise to take good care of your house and bring positive energy into your home. Thank you for watching my video. I'm really excited to meet you and I hope we can talk soon. Send you a big hug. Bye.